Hello, sir. Can you hear my voice?
देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? ये बताएगा व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? एनी आइडिया व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? एनी आंसर? किसी को नहीं मालूम है बेटा? व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
So the energy.
Electricity is flow of electrons.
So can you hear
Electricity
my
is
voice?
flow of electrons.
Hello, sir.
Now my question is,
Sir.
which was discovered first? First हम लोगों ने इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कवर किया. First we discovered electron, then we discovered atom, or it is other way round. That is, first at electron was first electricity was discovered, then electron was discovered. Which was discovered first, electricity or electron?
Sir, electron.
हाँ
Electron.
क्या बेटा?
Sir, electron.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं बेटा. सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्कवर हुआ. With the help of electricity we conducted some experiment, and with the help of those experiment electrons were discovered. E minus means electron. ठीक है, आपसे ध्यान रखिएगा, शॉर्ट में हम लोग E minus, that is electrons. Then what was discovered? Then we have discovered protons, and then neutrons, or electron, neutron and proton. क्या ऑर्डर था बेटा? हाँ, electron, proton and then neutron were discovered. Now, any idea when electricity was first discovered? Hmm?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
बेटा कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट याद है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का? बेटा आप लोग को कुछ
No, sir.
बताइए. Which, with the help of which experiment electricity was discovered? बड़ा वर्ल्ड फेमस एक्सपेरिमेंट है बेटा. It's
Sir.
a world famous experiment.
Sir. Hello, sir.
थोड़ा लाउडर बोलिए बेटा, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Sir, a kite was flown and
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट. Electricity was first known with the help of kite experiment, and this experiment was done by whom? Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. So electricity was discovered in 1759, and these electrons were discovered much later, that is 1890. Electricity is flow of electron, but electricity was discovered during times of whom? Just after Aurangzeb. औरंगजेब के थोड़े दिनों के बाद. औरंगजेब died in 707, 1707. Now electricity was discovered some 50 years after Aurangzeb died. ठीक है. Now 1757 वाला अगर आपको डेट याद है बेटा, तो this is the year around, मतलब few years after this we have battle of Plassey and battle of Buxar. ठीक है. तो electricity was discovered when Europeans या British they were conquering India. 100 years after, approximately, more than 100 years, electron was discovered. And electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Now, what J.J. Thomson did? समझो बात को. When electricity was discovered, scientists they were experimenting with electricity. For example, they tried to pass electricity through copper, and they found that electricity flows through copper. So they call copper a good conductor of electricity. Then they tried passing electricity through glass and they failed, and then they called glass as a bad conductor of electricity. Then they tried many other substances. So few of the scientists they are trying to check whether air conducts electricity or not. Air conducts electricity or not. In their experiment, they found that air do not conduct electricity. Now they try to find that whether vacuum conduct electricity or not. Whether vacuum conduct electricity or not. Whether vacuum conduct electricity or not. Now how to create a vacuum? Now to create a vacuum, they need a vacuum pump and a glass tube. So this is a glass tube with the exit pipe. This pipe was connected to a vacuum pump. Now this vacuum will pull out almost all, not 100%, almost 99% air particles present inside this. So now we will have extremely low pressure in this chamber. Low pressure chamber. Low pressure chamber. Now a low chamber which have low pressure, they inside it is simply known as discharge tube. Is simply known as discharge tube. An example of discharge tube is tube light. An example of discharge tube is tube light. Now there is a plate on this side, there is a plate on this side, and these two plates are connected to a battery with high voltage. With high voltage. Now we know battery always have two terminal. This is minus terminal and this is plus terminal. So this will be negative terminal and this will be positive terminal. Now this experiment is world famous experiment, and this experiment helped in discovery of electron. Helped in discovery of electron. Now what scientists observed in this experiment? The main observation was that low pressure vacuum or low pressure chamber were able to conduct electricity provided high voltage is applied across this chamber. High voltage is applied across this chamber. Now, this experiment is known as cathode ray experiment. Cathode ray experiment. In this experiment, the observation was that, as the high voltage was applied across this terminal, there were particles which were coming out from this direction or this plate and were traveling in this direction. That is, there were a stream of particles which were traveling from negative plate towards positive plate. They were traveling away from negative and towards positive. These stream of particles was known as cathodes ray. Cathode rays. These stream of particles, which was like is actually these particles, they are not coming out from this plate beta. ये पार्टिकल इस प्लेट से बाहर नहीं आ रहे एक्चुअली, बट उस समय साइंटिस्ट को ऐसा लग रहा था कि these particles they were coming out from this plate. Later, after 4 or 5 years, they realized that the particles are actually not coming out from this plate. They are simply traveling from this direction to this direction. Okay. Now, we know this plate will be called cathode. Negative plate is known as cathode and positive plate is known as anode. Since these particles, they were traveling away from cathode rays, so they were known as was traveling away from cathode, so they were called cathode rays. So first cathode rays were discovered with the help of cathode ray experiment, where a discharge tube, in a discharge tube we apply high voltage. Okay. Now these particles, their properties were observed. For example, we need to observe what is the charge of these particles. So scientists found that these particles, they carry negative charge. The properties of cathode ray were studied. Properties of cathode ray. Now, the first property which scientists observed about these cathode rays was that they were negatively charged particles. Negatively charged particles. Now, why they found that they were negatively charged particles? Because they were repelled by negative charge and attracted by positive charge. Since they were repelled by negative charge and attracted by positive charge, therefore scientists concluded that they must carry negative charge. So cathode ray were negatively charged particles. Cathode rays were negatively charged particles. ठीक है बेटा, नेक्स्ट। These negatively charged particles, these negatively charged particles, they were they were deflected by magnetic field. Second point is the cathode ray were deflected in magnetic field. They were deflected in magnetic field. Means in presence of magnet, they change their path. In presence of magnet, they change their path. Third point is the cathode ray particles, the cathode ray particles have mass. Now, how do we conclude that they have mass? We concluded that they have mass because when a light rotatory blade fan was kept in the path of cathode ray, the fan started rotating. Now the experiment was, we have a plate on this side, we have a plate on this side. A light in the path of cathode ray, a light fan was placed which started rotating. हुआ क्या बेटा, यहाँ से यहाँ particles were moving. So when these particles, they collided with this blade, so they pushed this blade and this blade started rotating. Now, had this been light or sound, then this blade will not rotate. For something, for some object to transfer इस क्वेश्चन, मोमेंटम बेटा आप लोग को नहीं मालूम होगा ना, मोमेंटम ऐसे समझिए।
सर पता है,
देखिए, एक तरीका है, लेट्स से
सर पता है।
आपने अपने फ्रेंड के ऊपर एक टॉर्च शाइन किया। नाउ आई कैन से लाइट, आप ये आपका फ्रेंड है और आपने इसके ऊपर एक टॉर्च शाइन किया, या टॉर्च का जो लाइट है इसके ऊपर फॉल किया। बेटा दिस फ्रेंड विल नॉट बी हर्ट, मतलब इसको कोई चोट नहीं लगने वाली है, बिकॉज लाइट इज ट्रेवलिंग with the speed 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. बट स्टिल इसको कोई चोट नहीं लगना है। बट आप एक काम करो, टेनिस बॉल ले लो और बस हल्के से इसकी तरफ फेंक दो, थ्रो इट ऑन दिस डायरेक्शन। अब वो उसको हिट करेगा। टेनिस बॉल का स्पीड मान लेते हैं बेटा 40 मीटर पर सेकेंड। This is traveling with 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, but this tennis ball is traveling only with 40 meter per second. बेटा लाइट से कोई चोट नहीं लगना है, टेनिस बॉल से चोट लगेगा इससे, he will be hurt. Now, why this is happening? Because light has no mass and this has got mass. Means for something to apply force on some other object, that object must have some mass. Light can never apply force on something because light do not have any mass. So अगर कैथोड रे का मास नहीं होता बेटा तो ये रोटेट नहीं करता, बट सिंस ये रोटेट किया है, that means this cathode ray must have some mass. This cathode ray must have some mass. If something don't have any mass, then that cannot apply any force on other object. But since cathode ray applied force on this blade, that proved that cathode ray have mass. So this cathode ray particle which have mass and which are negatively charged. अभी तक क्या observation है? That cathode ray they have mass and cathode ray are negatively charged. So these particles of cathode ray, that is, so cathode rays where cathode rays have mass and they are negatively charged. Negatively charged. These particles were called electron by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. So these cathode ray particles which are having mass and they are negatively charged, these were known as electrons. Who coined the term electrons? J.J. Thomson coined the term electrons. Next. So based on this, Thomson proposed that atoms, they have electrons inside them. Thomson proposed his own model of atom. According to Thomson, it was clear now that these atoms, they have electrons inside them. They have electrons inside them. Now the question was, where are these electrons inside atom? One thing was clear, that atoms, they have electron inside them. Now question is, where are these atoms? Where are these atoms? Any idea बेटा? बेटा मैंने आपको डाल्टन की एटॉमिक थ्योरी नहीं बताई है. आई हैवंट टॉट टू डाल्टन एटॉमिक थ्योरी बिकॉज वो सिंपल सा थ्योरी है. ठीक है, अगर आप बोलेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगा, बट वो सिंपल सा होता है. आप लोग लोअर क्लास में भी पढ़ चुके होते हैं, फिर से वही चीज लिखाने में उसमें मजा नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. किसी को आइडिया थॉमसन मॉडल ऑफ एटम के बारे में बेटा?
The electrons are revolving around the nucleus, sir.
नहीं
Even
बेटा,
orbit.
what you are telling about is बेटा that is not electrons are revolving around the nucleus. That is not Thomson model of atom. That is not Thomson model of atom beta.
Sir, plum pudding model.
Look, थॉमसन बेटा उनको ना वाटरमेलन बहुत पसंद था. His favorite fruits was watermelon. Now watermelon have two component inside them. The first one is the red part, red color solid, and the second one is black color seeds. तो उनका फेवरेट फ्रूट जो था वो था वाटरमेलन. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? उन्होंने बोला एटम इज जस्ट लाइक वाटरमेलन. Atoms are just like watermelon. Watermelon, they have reddish part. They have red color solid. Reddish edible
Sir.
part. Now this reddish edible part,
Sir,
this is अच्छा, no,
sir,
this reddish edible part, and there is one more part which are actually seeds. ना वाटरमेलन में जो एक्चुअल सीड्स होते हैं वो इतने इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नहीं होते हैं, बट हमारे एटम के अंदर ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू थॉमसन, द एंटायर वाटरमेलन इज एन एटम. दिस इज एन एटम, एंड सिंस atom is negatively charged, positively charged, or neutral, we know atoms are neutral. Now since atoms are neutral and inside atoms we have electron, बात को समझिए, एटम न्यूट्रल है बट एटम के अंदर नेगेटिवली चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन है. सो हाउ कम एटम इज न्यूट्रल व्हेन इट कंटेन्स नेगेटिवली चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन? So Thomson concluded, since atoms are neutral and it contains negatively charged electron, then therefore there must be positive charge as well inside atom. Positive plus negative will make atom neutral. Now the question was, where are positive charge inside atom and where is negative charge inside atom? पॉजिटिव चार्ज कहां पर है, नेगेटिव चार्ज कहां पर है? तो थॉमसन सजेस्टेड दैट द रेडिश पार्ट of watermelon is positively charged, and the seeds which are inside watermelon, they are actually electrons. They are actually electrons. Now this is also known as plum cake model or plum pudding model. Now, any idea what is pudding?
sir, a delicious food.
Louder beta.
Sir, a delicious food. Sweet.
एक जस्ट मिनट बेटा, आप लोग की आवाज बहुत कम आ रही था, जोर से बोलिए बेटा आपकी तो.
Sir, a delicious food. Sweet.
Still not audible. ठीक है.
Sir, a delicious food.
फूड.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, ये टाइप ऑफ फूड बेटा, बट हम लोग के कंट्री में मतलब इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में किसके बहुत सिमिलर है ये बेटा? सिमिलर टू व्हाट? बेटा क्रिसमस में केक खाते हैं ना हम लोग, मोस्टली क्रिसमस केक के नाम से बिकता है इंडिया में।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, actually that cake is very much similar to pudding. That cake is very much similar to pudding. The entire cake is atom and the उसके अंदर जो काजू होता है, किशमिश होता है ना, those are electrons. समझे? ये सिंपल सा है। वाटरमेलन मॉडल पहले लिखा रहता था बुक में। हम लोग जब स्कूल में थे तो एनसीईआरटी के बुक्स में और आप लोग के भी आईसीएसई वाले बुक्स में इसको वाटरमेलन मॉडल बोला जाता था। ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इसको वाटरमेलन बोला गया है। बट अब धीरे धीरे है ना, लोग वेस्टर्न खाना खाने लगे, वेस्टर्नाइज वर्ल्ड हो गया, तो अब इसको प्लम पुडिंग बोलने लगे। बट ठीक है, आप वाटरमेलन लिखेंगे तो भी गलत नहीं है। So according to Thomson, how is our atom? According to Thomson, our atoms is just like a watermelon or a plum pudding. Means the positive charge inside atom is spread, uniformly
Hello, sir.
spread. So according to Thomson,
Sir,
हाँ बेटा,
sir, can you hear my voice now?
बेटा थोड़ा लाउडर बोलिए बेटा, बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा आपका,
Sir, अब ठीक है?
बिल्कुल नहीं बेटा। मैंने यहाँ मैक्स कर रखा है अपना ऑडियो।
So check it now.
नॉट येट बेटा।
Hmm. Okay, sir.
आप टाइप कीजिए बेटा या माइक चेंज कीजिए ना बेटा। This is Thomson model of atom. Positive charge inside atom is uniformly spread and negatively charged electron are embedded like discrete particles. Discrete particle मतलब seeds की तरह है, spread नहीं है, छोटे छोटे दाने हैं, छोटे छोटे seeds है। ठीक है, this is Thomson model of atom. This is Thomson model of atom. Now Thomson model of atom is not accepted model of atom. Few years after he proposed his model of atom, his model of atom was challenged by Rutherford. रदरफोर्ड एक साइंटिस्ट थे, उन्होंने कुछ सालों के बाद ही इनके मॉडल ऑफ एटम को चैलेंज कर दिया और बाद में इसे गलत प्रूव कर दिया। And thereafter Rutherford proposed his own model of atom. Thereafter Rutherford proposed his own model of atom. But in science, in science, to challenge anything, to prove something wrong, you need to have some evidence. You cannot simply say that you are wrong. There have to be some evidence, some experiment with the help of which a scientist claims something to be right and something to be wrong. Now, Rutherford conducted an experiment called Rutherford gold foil alpha particle experiment. क्या नाम था उसका? गोल्ड फॉयल अल्फा पार्टिकल्स, अल्फा पार्टिकल्स scattering experiment. Rutherford conducted an experiment called gold foil alpha particles scattering experiment. Now, who conducted this experiment? Rutherford conducted this experiment. Rutherford conducted this experiment. Now, in this experiment, what did he do? उन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया जिससे ये मालूम चल गया कि थॉमसन जो है गलत बातें बोल रहे हैं?
Sir Rutherford bombarded alpha particles in a gold foil.
बिल्कुल सही है बेटा, चलिए ठीक है, देखते हैं हम लोग आगे, देखेंगे फिर करेंगे। ठीक है, दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज आवर गोल्ड फॉइल, ठीक है, दिस इज आवर गोल्ड फॉइल and this is our alpha particle machine. This machine will create alpha particles and this is zoom in area. Zoom in area means we are focusing on this area and we are zooming in. Zooming in देखिए इतना ज्यादा zoom in है. This distance is actually 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. इतना छोटा है, ठीक है. Now what we are going to do is we are going to switch on this alpha particle generator machine. This machine will generate alpha particles and they will travel from this direction and move in this direction. Now मैं और जूम इन कर लिया हूं, ठीक है. अब आपको छोटा सा एक पार्ट दिख रहा है, समझो बात को. दिस इज कंप्लीट वन एटम and this is center of atom. I am zooming in this center of atom now. ठीक है. Now I am pressing this button. Alpha particles will be generated and will travel from this point to this point. These are alpha particles. These particles are alpha particles. These particles are alpha particles. As we can see, alpha particles, they are traveling and getting deflected. They are traveling and getting deflected. यहाँ पर देखते हैं अब. Now we are zooming out. दिख रहा है बेटा? When alpha particles they are moving close to nucleus, they are getting deflected. When they are passing at a good distance away from the nucleus, they are not getting deflected. So this experiment was conducted by Rutherford. And with the help of observation, he concluded that Thomson model is incorrect. Because if Thomson is true, that means positive charge is uniformly spread. If positively charge is uniformly spread, then alpha particles will not be scattered. अगर थॉमसन मॉडल ट्रू हो जाएगा तो अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटर नहीं करेगा. दिखाता हूं. दिस इज एटम अकॉर्डिंग टू थॉमसन. दिस is atom according to Thomson. Now, if this model is correct, then alpha particle will not scatter. Means ऐसा कुछ होना था. अल्फा पार्टिकल को इस तरीके से पास होना था. ठीक है. But actually, Rutherford found that alpha particles are not traveling like this. Alpha particles are getting deflected. So this can't be the correct model of atom. So Rutherford found that alpha particles are deflected. Hence Rutherford concluded that Thomson model is incorrect. इसमें किसी को डाउट है बेटा? कोई डाउट किसी को? नहीं, ठीक है, चलिए. तो दिस इज आवर गोल्ड फॉइल. Here we have alpha particle generator machine. Now once alpha particles they are traveling in this direction, we are collecting alpha particles. Yeah, we are catching alpha particles on this screen. On this screen we are capturing the deflected alpha particles. Now what's happening is, as alpha particle is crossing, yeah, passing through these gold foil, they are getting scattered or deflected. Some alpha particles are traveling in a straight line, some alpha particles are getting reflected back. So there is deflection in all direction. Some particles, yeah, there are many particles which are not getting deflected. They are traveling in a straight line. Some particles they are getting deflected by small angle. Some particles are getting deflected by large angle. ठीक है, ये अपना गोल्ड फॉइल है. ऐसा कुछ है बेटा, ठीक है, एक्सपेरिमेंट ऐसा कुछ था. इसमें आपको क्लियर दिख रहा होगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. So what were the observations from Rutherford gold foil experiment? So Rutherford observed that some alpha particles were deflected. Second, very few alpha particles rebounded. Now what is meant by rebounded? These are rebound, means almost 180-degree turn. Almost 180-degree turn. These rebound particles, they were very, very few. Some alpha particles, they were deflected. Some were returned or rebounded. And third is, most alpha particles remained undeflected. Undeflected. These were the three observations of Rutherford. That is 90% alpha particles were not deflected. 9% alpha particles were deflected by small angle. 1% alpha particles, they almost returned back. That is, they rebounded. अच्छा ये बेटा ये 3 पॉइंट लिखे थे, ठीक है, ध्यान ही नहीं रहा. These are the 3 points. Some alpha particles were deflected. Very few alpha particles rebounded. Most alpha particles remained undeflected. They were not deflected back. These are the 3 key observations of Rutherford gold foil alpha particle scattering experiment. So now Rutherford observation is complete. Now based on these observations, Rutherford concluded something. And through this conclusion, Rutherford proposed his own model of atom. Just like Thomson proposed his model of atom, Rutherford will also propose his own model of atom. Now, what is Rutherford's model of atom? Now, Thomson said the positive charge is uniformly spread. According to Thomson, the entire watermelon red part is positively charged. Rutherford says, no, the entire watermelon is not positively charged. The entire positive charge is centralized at center. Means now this entire atom is not positive charge. The whole of positive charge is concentrated at the center, and this center is called nucleus. And this center is called nucleus. So according to Rutherford, the positive charge is concentrated at the center, and this center is known as nucleus. Then he says electrons, they are revolving around nucleus in circular orbit. They are revolving around nucleus in circular orbit. Just like planet Earth and other planets such as Mercury, Venus, Mars, just like our solar system. Sun is the nucleus, and the planets which are revolving around the sun, they are actually electrons. So he compared our solar system with with an atom. According to him, sun is the nucleus and planets are electron. And this model of atom was proposed by Rutherford himself. Clear है बेटा, ये simple सा model है. So according to him, या Rutherford model of atom, positive charge is concentrated in a small region at center and called nucleus. Second is electrons are revolving around nucleus in circular orbit. Electrons are revolving around nucleus in circular orbit. These are the two important takeaway from Rutherford model of atom. These are the two important takeaway from Rutherford model of atom. He further said, there are many more conclusions. He further says, size of nucleus is extremely small. Is extremely small compared to size of atom. Compared to size of atom. Now imagine that, let us imagine a tennis ball. A tennis ball is nucleus. You hold that tennis ball in your hand and consider that tennis ball as a nucleus. Now, what will be the size of atom if tennis ball is a nucleus? Room will be smaller than atom in that case. Room will be smaller than atom in that case. The entire Asansol will be now atom. For if atom is as big as, as large as Asansol, then your nucleus will be a simple tennis ball. This is the difference in size between nucleus and atom. Diameter of atom will be approximately 20 kilometer. Then your nucleus will be a tennis ball. This is the difference in size. समझ में आया बेटा? Nucleus is extremely small compared to size of atom. ठीक है? So these are the important points of Rutherford model of atom. इसमें किसी को डाउट बेटा?
No, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक. नेक्स्ट क्लास में बेटा हम लोग कैथोड रे वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट था ना, वो वाला. ठीक है, वो कैथोड रे वाला जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में उसको करेंगे. अपने पास वो जो पूरा ट्यूब, हाई वोल्टेज, वो सारा कुछ है. ठीक है, वो वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट हम लोग करके देखेंगे. ठीक है बेटा, स्कूल में ये चैप्टर हो गया आप लोगों का?
सर अभी शुरू नहीं किया.
अच्छा, स्कूल में कितने चैप्टर हुए बेटा अभी तक?
सर लैंग्वेज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री और स्टडी ऑफ लॉ गैस लॉस.
अच्छा,
यस सर, हम लोग का भी वही चल रहा है.
चलिए बढ़िया है. ठीक है, ठीक है, ये चैप्टर इंटरेस्टिंग है बेटा, इसको मतलब पढ़ने में मजा आता है. ठीक है, इसमें काफी कुछ है, एक्सपेरिमेंट वगैरह भी है. ठीक है, आज जितना बताया समझ में आया तो सबको?
यस सर.
यस सर.
ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में बेटा यहीं से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ठीक है,
बाय सर.
ओके बेटा, बाय बेटा.